Don't run those kayakers over. They're fine.
How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Good. Over here on that side. To the right. Paddle to the right, Jonathan. Woo! Woo! We're coming. Oh, look at that. Woohoo! Did you catch something?
You did? Beautiful day, isn't it? I know, seriously, considering the heat wave.
Did you catch some?
But yeah, there's only 4 of us, so we'll be out of here shortly. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Alright, guys, now that we're past the fisherman, if you guys want to head to the left side of the river, we're over there. You guys can hop out and swim, okay?
Okay.
Maybe just make sure there's at least one person in the boat, okay?
Alright.
Stay by your boat. This is a pretty short section.
Alright.
Just grab the boat.
For my blue boat, if you guys want to head to the left side, woo! Across the boat, we're on the left side, you guys can hop out for a short swim. One last swim section, okay? Alright, it's a little deeper, okay? It's a little shorter. Okay, so just make sure you at least have one person in the boat. Right now? Yeah. Go ahead, sweetheart.
Is it deep, Elysha?
Kind of.
It's not that deep.
It's not that bad. I'm hitting rocks.
Да не боись, не боись.
Okay.
Нормально?
I saw your face, Dad. I'm like, no, I see her. She's not under the boat.
If it's get too deep, just grab this. May GoPro on.